Well, if you're planning on going to the Supermotocross World Championship at the end of the season, you better check your dates, because obviously some things change. This is still a few months away. Obviously, this is out in September, but some things with the USC Trojans home schedule or whatever screwed this up. So the dates have been changed. If you're going to playoff 1, it is September 9th. If you're going to playoff 2, it is September 16th. And the final will be Saturday, September 23rd. I'm pretty sure most things are like a week or two earlier than they were before. First playoff is ZMAX Dragway, then Chicagoland, and then the LA Memorial Coliseum. So if you're planning on going to any one of those three, and you've already bought tickets or planned out some vacation days or whatever you want to call it, you might want to check into some things and reevaluate what you're doing. But super simple stuff. Just, it is racing news. It is a thing that's happening. Obviously, it's the first year of this Super Motocross Championship at the end of everything, and who knows how it's going to work, or even, who knows. It'll be kind of neat to see. Obviously, the tracks that they've shown look kind of nice, but in the comments below, you tell me. Are you going to one? Do you think it's cool? Do you care? Could you care less? Whatever it is you want to say, make sure you do it in the comments below. As you're going down there, like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things that you can on this platform, because it really helps me fighting the little YouTube algorithm that we all do. But with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.